Listen, look, and listen, and learn.
Good evening, everyone, especially to you, Sir Darrell. I'm student number 3, Junior Mark Wellington, and my partner.
I'm student number 14, Jared Calwego.
We are the Great M Bonifacio. Today, we can make the experiments in Boyle's Law. Let's go! Kilalanin muna natin si Robert Boyle. Who is Robert Boyle? Robert Boyle is January 25, 1627, and namatay siya noong taong December 31, 1691. Was an Anglo-Irish natural philosopher, chemist, physicist, alchemist, and inventor. Boyle is largely regarded today as the first modern chemist, and therefore one of the most founder in modern chemistry, and one of the pioneers of modern experimental scientific method.
He is best known for Boyle's law, which describes the inversely proportional relationship between the absolute pressure and volume of a gas, if the temperature is kept constant within a closed system. Among his works, the skeptical chemist is seen as a cornerstone book in the field of chemistry.
He performed an experiment wherein he dropped a fixed amount of air in the J tube, he changed the pressure and controlled the temperature, and then he observed its effect to the volume of the air inside the J tube. There are materials is syringe. Don't forget to remove the needle because it's harmful. The next is marshmallows, and marshmallows put inside the syringe. As you can see, the marshmallow is becomes small because of inversely proportional.
Yes, I don't know if this is true or false.